kugumirwo na thitango itiganite ari hamwe na uhuthiri muru wa wabici na ningi kigina kiria athiriirwo maya mokite riri na ciongurani gatagati ka gavana wa kaunti no no ria wikaine ta James Orengo na munini wake ithiete na mbere na kuambatira urugari wa kiuteti ugithi na mbere na kuonekana Oduol ni akoretwo agiingatwo nja wa kiama kia ODM na kiria athurirwo nakio gukwina watongoria kihiri kumanagia mwena ucio na makiria thuri a matura magite makiuria ni wega athuria kana ni wega gavana na munini wake metikire gwikara thi na kunanira njungu itemine ria gutigirira ati ni manina na makorwo makihurana na ngorani ciao.
I don't know what custom made round table finished in 2-pack 54,800. Executive high back orthopedic desk chair in leather, 287,000. 7-seater custom made executive carved, not very visible, 910,000. Executive orthopedic dark chair and seat full spring, 1,120,000. 6 meters conference table, 1,051,000. Executive visitors chair back and seat full spring, 84,000. Grooved coffee table, 211,400,000. 2 Lois executive custom made chairs, 161,000.
When we are dealing with a supplementary budget, we don't introduce new projects. Supplementary remains supplementary, and therefore when you hear that there were projects proposed, supplementary is just for unforeseen arising budget issues, and therefore it is obvious that when you introduce a completely new projects in the budget, it might suffer the same. But I
indicate some areas where I feel that as a civil servant, as an employee in the county government here, I've been bullied, intimidated, and humiliated. Chair, in relation to this matter, from the outset, from the word go, when these matters started, you can remember that the Assembly requested a DG to give evidence of these allegations on misappropriation of funds in the county executive.
Aya tugukorwo tukiingira riboti-ini ingi ya kihana ni ati mutumia umwe wa ndigwa